I'm Guy Andrews and welcome to Guy's Garage. Normally I love to just review cars that are, everyday people's cars that are quite attainable, that 40 to even $100,000 mark. But today I've had the opportunity to drive three V12 Supercars, so prepare to unrelate. Here we've got a Ferrari FF, which is I guess it's probably the world's greatest hatchback. It's a shooting brake, as they call it. So the aristocrats would take this off to the country manor and throw the hounds in the back and do a bit of shooting. But we just call it a hatchback here in Australia, or a station wagon. But Ferrari FF is a 600 plus horsepower front-engined all-wheel drive V12 with a 7-speed DCT. The thing is immaculate drive. It's got ceramic brakes all around the size of the family pizzas. And then down here we've got a Murcielago, 2008 Murcielago gated 6-speed manual all-wheel drive V12, 6.5 litre, 640 horsepower. The interior is bespoke, beautiful. It's one of the first vehicles that the Audi V12 ownership of Lamborghini, and some of the parts in there I think come out of the V12 Polo bin, like the stalks on the steering wheel. It's not even about that. It's the engine, the look of the thing. It's got a backside on it bigger than Beyonce's chorus line. It's a sensational looking car, and the sound of it. And here we've got the Aston Martin DBS. This is a Bond-esque car. This one is a V12 manual. I mean, drifter's dream really. If you had a spare dime, you could drift this, I'm sure. This car is just a gorgeously finished car. It's sensational. You drive it and you feel like you're channeling James Bond. It's just unreal. But let's just take these things for a run and have a look around. So the Ferrari FF, straight up, I've only been driving for a few minutes, but it feels like it's the car that I could daily. And I suppose it is designed maybe for more of a daily. It's got the wagon style back on it, and but it just feels comfortable. It feels a little more modern than the 2008 model supercars that I drove over the weekend, and obviously it's a little later, 4 years newer. But this thing is really nicely finished. It's a lovely car inside. Like, it feels like it's worth money. Whereas the other cars, I don't know, even the Aston didn't feel like it was put together as well. This has got no noise. Hang on, let's just... Oh, that is a silky engine. There's power everywhere. And I'm just warming the thing up, so I can't wait to actually have a little bit of a crack at this. But it sounds amazing, and the power is a little bit more across in the lower revs. There was definitely some more mumbo there compared to the Aston and even the Lamborghini, which was very top-endy. this is my new daily for sure. Did you see that? Days like these, I think you need the appropriate eyewear. These bogan sunnies won't suit this vehicle. Yeah. See you up the road. Treat, I've got the aviator sunnies on for a reason, because I'm in a 2008 Murcielago, Lamborghini Murciélago V12 right-hand drive gated manual. There's only a couple of these in Australia, and it's one hell of a piece of machinery. It's got a 6.5 litre, 640 horsepower, naturally aspirated V12 in the rear, and have a listen to this thing. I can't even drive it anywhere near its limit at the moment because there's a cop in front of me, but we'll get some good edits coming your way real soon. Stand by. Here he is. How'd it treat ya? Terrible experience. How's that V12 doesn't sing until about 5,000 to 8,000. It's just like, yeah! Let's go for a drive. This engine sounds unreal. Just sings induction noise, exhaust noise. One thing I did notice about these though, you really got to get some revs into them to get moving. This car's growing on me, indeed. It's an absolutely stunning car. It's not as big a head turner as Lamborghini Murciélago that I drove earlier, but I'll tell you what, it's very cool. But it does make me want to wear these glasses a lot. It's that engine. Internal combustion makes me happy. I wonder if it's just a subjective score, like, you know, your attractiveness as a male goes up by double when you drive an Aston Martin, and I don't know whether it's just in my own head or whether I actually am more attractive. So I know a girl just looked at me then at the lights, and I seriously get no look backs these days. So it's got to be the car. It's got to be the car.